Alright, we're back. I just want to show you real quickly what I'm going to do with the seam right here. So I was cleaning up, this stuff. There's like a little indentation here. Okay, I cleaned that up with some 180 paper. Okay, I'm going to put the rust inhibitor on it. But then I thought, you know what, I had this one little spot here too on the seam behind. So I'm going to clean that up. So I cleaned this up as well. And you can see what I try to do. So you have this little seam rust bubble things. Pop them, scrape all the stuff out, sand it, okay, get it ready. But, I'm not repainting the entire car. So what we're going to do is hit this with the rust inhibitor, okay, along this entire seam right here, and this as well. Let it dry, and then we're going to paint over it, probably with a brush. I got this paint here that I just used under the front bumper. It is Rust-Oleum, and the color is actually Kona Brown, okay? But you can kind of see what it looks like. I painted under here on top of where I had already did the rust inhibitor. It's close. It's close. It's not perfect, but it's close, okay? So we're going to do that in the seam over here, and it should look better. You can kind of see some previous owner already did a little rust repair here in this wheel well. They were having a problem with the seatbelt attachment points, and they repaired that. So we're going to touch this up, make it look better, stop the rust. Then it's up to the next owner if he wants to, totally repaint the car. He can repaint the car. If he wants to just live with it, I've used this rust inhibitor, and then the car's sat here for another 2 or 3 years. This one project I was doing, the rust didn't come back, and that's a good sign to me. Something that's just sitting usually rusts worse than something that's being used. So, at least in our climate, we have a very wet climate here in New Jersey, South Jersey. It's like a big swamp. Okay, so I'll bring you guys back and let you see the final product of this, but I just wanted to kind of show you how I normally deal with this. You can deal with this other ways, but to me, just getting it to stop bubbling, stop rusting, we're stabilizing the patient, and then if the next owner wants to get psychotic and do everything, they can do it. If they don't, it's not getting any worse, so it's usable. Okay, so that's my goal, is get it back to that point. Okay, we'll see you guys on the next video.